Hey everybody, welcome back to my Pizza Dough Pro YouTube channel. I just wanted to go through a few really fast pictures here. I'll just let them cycle a few times so that you can check them out. So what you're seeing here is a single pizza that was made from a 2-pizza batch. The full recipe is over on my main baking channel, which is at Bake Like a Pro. So if you want to see the full recipe video for this dough, you can check it out over there on my main channel. So as you can see, some really good results with this pizza dough. And one important thing that I have to mention about this pizza dough is that it had been frozen for 2 weeks. So when I made that batch, it was on that weekend that I decided, okay, we're just going to make one pizza for the Saturday night, and we're going to freeze that second one. So the pizza dough was frozen for the entire time, which was that 2-week period. And then the day that I wanted to make the pizza, I brought the dough out early in the morning. And then that evening, I pressed out my dough, got my sauce on, cheese, toppings, and baked it in the Gozney Arc XL pizza oven. And I appreciate that not everybody has a pizza oven, but you can also get amazing results just using your regular kitchen oven. You want to max that oven out to about 550 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's about 288 degrees Celsius. And at that temperature, you're talking about 10 to 12 minutes. If you are using a pizza stone or a pizza steel, that time will be decreased by a couple of minutes. In my Gozney Arc XL pizza oven, that bake time was reduced to about 2 minutes. Oven temperature in my Gozney Arc XL is about 700 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's about 371 degrees Celsius. So that's it for this video. Thanks very much for watching, and for those who have subscribed to my channel over here, I really do appreciate it, so thank you very much. And I just want to remind everybody that if you are looking for my pizza videos, all of them are really over on my main channel at Bake Like a Pro, and they are also on my Facebook page over at Bake Like a Pro. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one.